Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at MathKook.com. Let's MathKook it up. Hey Kooks, in this question it says rationalize the denominator and simplify. So we have a fraction here, we have 2 over root 3. And notice we have a radical on the bottom of the fraction. So in order for a fraction to be fully simplified, it cannot have a radical on the bottom of the fraction or in the denominator. So what we're going to do, we need to get rid of this square root. So how do we get rid of a square root when it's on the bottom of a fraction? Well, because it's just a square root of 3 here, what we do is we multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by the square root itself. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 3. So let's see what happens when we do this. So since we're multiplying fractions, we just multiply the tops. So on top here we have 2 times root 3, which is just 2 root 3. And then on the bottom we have root 3 times root 3. So root 3 times root 3 is root 9. However, one trick to get used to, whenever multiplying radicals that have exactly the same thing underneath, it just equals that thing that's underneath the radical. So let's look at some examples. So if you had like root 7 times root 7, it just equals 7. Now again, this only works if the radicand, or like the number underneath the root, is exactly the same. So let's look at another example. Say I had 17.9 times the square root of 17.9. That would just be 17.9. What if I had the square root of smiley face times the square root of smiley face? Well, that would just be smiley face. So the smiley face comes out of the radical. So here we have root 3 times root 3, which is just 3. All right. Now, if you didn't believe me, root 3 times root 3 is root 9, and root 9 is just 3. So you could take the long cut if you'd like, but I like to take shortcuts. So here, now we have 2 root 3 over 3. We look to cancel the 2 and the 3 here. They do not simplify, so this is our answer. And be careful, some students here would like to cancel the 3 and this 3, but this 3 is underneath the radical, and this 3 is not underneath the radical, so they are ineligible to be canceled. So this here is just our final answer. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit MathKook.com. Thanks for watching.